beautiful friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you to make huevos rancheros. If you're not familiar with huevos rancheros, it's pretty much a fried egg served on top of a crispy corn tortilla, topped with a chile tomato sauce that's divine with some, you can spread a little bit of refried beans. I like to add a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of queso blanco, and I like to serve mine with some avocado. Let me show you the ingredients. You're going to need your tortilla. These are tostadas, which are crispy corn tortillas. If you can find this at your regular your supermarket, you can actually make it. You just need a corn tortilla, a little bit of oil. You fry the tortilla until it gets really crispy, and that's it. You have your tostada. You're gonna need, for the sauce, tomato, onion. I have half of a chile serrano. Normally we use jalapeno, but I had a little issue with my grocery delivery and they brought me a serrano instead of a jalapeno. Since I don't have a high spice tolerance, I'm using half of that serrano because serranos are quite spicy, at least for my taste. So I'm only using half, but normally I will use like one jalapeno. You're gonna need egg, my refried beans. I just finished recording a video for this, so keep an eye out for it. I think it should be up before this recipe so you can have it. I'm gonna link it either here or here. So delicious. It only takes me like 10 to 15 minutes, and these are the best refried beans. We're also going to need avocado, well, any type of neutral oil. I'm using avocado and some salt. That is pretty much it. So let's start working on our sauce, because the sauce is very delicious and quite simple. So all you want to do is just pretty much slice your tomatoes. So I like to cut mine in half and then I just slice. I'm going to remove the ends, and then I like to cut mine in half just like this. There we go. I think I'm only gonna use one tomato today, because I'm only gonna do this for 2 people. So 1 tomato is more than enough. Now we work on our onion. Again, we cut in half and then we just slice. So the onions are ready. I turn on my heat to medium. I'm going to remove the seeds of my chile, because that's what essentially makes it a little more spicy. Like I said, I'm not very good with spice. So all of my, oh, I forgot, we need a garlic. We're going to smash the garlic, and again, I'm just going to mince it. I'm actually going to slice it. Okay, very finely sliced, just like so. Now to my hot skillet, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add all of my sliced goodies, and this is gonna make a wonderful sauce. And the sauce you can either blend it or you can leave it whole. Let me see how I feel by the time the sauce is done. We give it a good stir, just like so. And now we're gonna wait for the tomatoes to break down just a little bit. I'm going to season this with a pinch of salt. This is what my salsa is looking like. As you can see, the tomatoes start to break down, and you have this wonderful sauce. My salsita is almost done. It's looking great. I think this is exactly perfect. So you can see it has reduced. Now we have to work on our egg. So I have another skillet. I'm gonna bring the heat to medium. Since the last thing to do is fry the egg, I'm gonna start working on assembling my huevos rancheros. So I'm gonna grab some of my refried bean. Now you can warm up your tostada. I don't mind it. So you're gonna add your refried bean. I love refried beans, so I'm gonna add a generous amount, just like so. Now let me add some oil to my skillet so I can fry my egg. About 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're gonna crack the egg right in. The oil should have been a little more hot, but I think it's fine. Now you can cook your egg however you want. Just be careful, it will splatter quite a lot. That's the bad thing about frying eggs. And I like my egg really, really crispy. I actually don't like the egg yolk, and I do not like runny egg yolks. That is definitely not for me. So my egg is done. It's exactly how I like it. Some might think this egg is overcooked. I think it's perfect because, like I said, I've never really liked egg yolks. Like, I don't like to eat the egg yolk that much, and especially if it's runny, I just won't even touch it. We have our sauce, and we put it kind of like all over the top, like this. We add some cheese. I like to do a little bit of sour cream right on top, a little bit of fresh cilantro. I love cilantro, so I like to add quite a lot. And now I serve it with half an avocado. Just because like this, you really do have just kind of like a complete meal. This will keep you so full right until lunch. Okay, so I like to place my avocado right on the side. We hit it with a little bit of salt. And that's pretty much it. And this is it. Your huevo ranchero is done and ready to be eaten. Let me just grab it with my hand. Just like so. I want a little bit of sour cream. Oops, a little bit of avocado. This is the breakfast of champions. So many different flavors combined. So I hope you guys enjoyed my take on huevos rancheros. I don't know if this is traditional by any means, but I can assure you it's absolutely just sensational. It's so good. If you want to get the written recipe with all of the measurements and all of the instructions, go to my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com. There you can find everything you need. I'm going to continue eating my huevos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.